Ayan si Moy Moy sa likuran ko. Si Canergy. Ayan. Pull down cleaning. Pasala-salamin pa talaga eh. Totoo eh. Ayan sa loob. Taas mo.
Kung katulong nito.
Lagyan natin ng Amber Protect. Amber. Naka-amber yan. Malinis na. Pati yung langaw oh. Napahanga sa linis oh. Diba? Amber yan, amber.
May blower na.
Sana?
Yan.
Ito?
Kulog bitaw eh.
Ayun.
Yan guys.
Maliliit.
Malito. Asan kaya? Ang...
Dito yan eh.
Asan kaya yan? Yan o.
Mapgas di boy.
Mapgas at saka pangina. Andun. Wala na guys. The lake was already shoes blow. Yan guys.
Ayan, aircon no. Semi-cool down din. Grabe ang dumi. Dito to sa laboratory. Ito pala panay tulo. Oh. Oh. Labasan na yung bituka. Sa Community Hospital ng Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Ayan. Semi-pull down cleaning. Kupil. Grabe oh. Pati likod. Ayun mga aircon ay matanggal ng pan. Kaya plastikan na lang natin.
So diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey. you don't exist. Don't tell me what to do when you lose your keys and you crash into. Life is moving to a brand new beat, dancing circles on the city street. The sun is climbing up the garden wall. I'm feeling light, I'm feeling 10 feet tall. No need for worries or a heavy heart. This is the moment for a brand new start. Just listen close to what the rhythm says, in a million different happy ways. Ba-da-ba-da-day, sha-la-la-la-day. Keep it moving, keep it bright, from the morning till the night. Life is moving to a brand new beat, dancing circles on the city street. Hey, ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da, ba-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da. So diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey. In this car, you don't exist. Don't tell me what to do when you lose your keys and you crash into.